Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I need to change into dy over dx. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Next, dx and s square we put on the right, y square we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So, the integration of y square dy, we have y to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. The integration of negative dx over s square, we have 1 over s, and we put about c. So this one we have number 3. We have the conditions. When s equals to number 1, y equals to number 2. So I need to put number 1 gone here, number 2 gone here to find the value of c. So this one we have 8 over 3 minus number 1, and this one we have 5 over 3 equals to c. Now we can put 5 over 3 gone here, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.